Maybe Happy Ending is a musical about two retired human-like helper bots, Oliver and Claire, set in the years 2064 in Seoul. They form a bond and go on a trip to find out what it means to love and to be human. When Claire's battery needs to be charged, she seeks Oliver's help, and this goes on to change their lives. We'll be performing two songs today, The Rainy Day We Met and Hitting the Road. The Rainy Day We Met is about how these two robots hatch a plan to convince humans that they are indeed not robots but humans, but they are robots. That's the spoiler. Hitting the Road is about Oliver and Claire starting their adventure to Jeju Island looking for Oliver's former owner.
Do you need that? Do you need that?
So, where did we meet?
On the street?
Yes, it was a rainy day. You had forgotten your umbrella, so you ran under mine.
I initiated this.
The rain made us feel melancholy, but also romantic, on the rainy streets of
Paris.
New York set the perfect mood on the day we met.
Unbelievable.
I know. The patter of rain and somewhere a jazz quartet.
They were playing in the rain?
They were inside.
So we were inside.
We were outside. My umbrella could handle two. I even kept your shoulder dry. And since we both were shy, we barely spoke at all.
Did you get this from a movie?
You wore a bright red raincoat that magic day.
I choose red for a raincoat.
Your beautiful red fur hat took my breath away.
And now you're just describing Santa.
The crowded and noisy streets were silent except our beating hearts. It's all those quiet parts you later can't forget. One little rainy day, the rainy day we met. Your turn.
You stared at your feet, too nervous to say one word.
Well, what could I have said in that situation?
Our beautiful silence started to feel absurd.
But I did offer
You
you
just
my
said it was my turn. So then in a breathless rush, they both started talking awkwardly.
Sorry. How long have you? Why don't you?
We laughed so hard that we forgot our socks were wet. On a rainy day,
The rainy day we met. That old tiny band when I first held your hand and we danced the subway.
the buses we missed on that first night we kissed on that street in Paris.
New York!
Paris.
New York! The moment our game demanded a name, and love's what we called it.
The morning we tried waking up side by side, I knew it was meant to be.
Seems to me the crowded and noisy world was silent except our beating hearts. It's all those quiet parts you later can't forget. One little rainy day, the rainy day we met. Anyway, that's how we met.
Scarlette，要再大声一点点，要再大声一点。
What if the car breaks down? What if we break down? What if they catch us and erase our hard
So
drive?
you're coming?
When did I say I'm
Wait,
coming?
let's start packing.
I don't. It's not. We can't. How did? We're going to Jeju.
Dig out my suitcase, brush off the layer of dust.
Pack up my life here, and now it's Jeju or bust. Here I go.
Time to give it a shot.
Hope the car fits a lot, cause now I'm hitting the road. My books and albums, my expectations and fears.
Small adventure, I guess it's been a few years.
And I know
this might even be fun.
when the packing is done, I'm finally hitting the road. And no matter where and how far you drive, people say you're different when you arrive underneath an unfamiliar sky. Well, my old concerns no longer apply. My suitcase, it's got a decade of heft.
Go make it count now. Enjoy the time you have left.
Here I go. Tell me I'll be okay.
By the end of today,
I'm finally hitting the road.
Everybody.
I'm feeling not at all scared.
I've got the charger.
I've got the playlist prepared, and I know now there's no turning back.
How much stuff did you pack?
We're finally hitting the road, and the trip might not turn out as I planned, but a trip should not end like it began. Maybe I'll get stuck or lost on the route.
When you
But
hit
the road things tend to work out. My life here, it's all been leading to this.
the last adventure, it's not a chance I can miss.
Here we go. No more doors left ajar.
Now I'm starting the car, and now we're hitting the road.
Let's go.
Về lâu mà. Về lâu mà.